Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Gamer Scientist video. I haven't posted in a couple days, I know that. So the other day I was thinking, you guys just watched me do Discord things, you couldn't hear a thing, I didn't realize that when I was recording, but it was kind of boring. I think today I'm making a video that will help you create your own Discord server. So if you're like a YouTuber beginning out for Discord, or if you just want a Discord server anyways for anything, doesn't really matter. This is what today's video is for. I'll leave a link to my Discord. Just mine, not the one we're about to create. But hey, it's fine. Okay. So when you first open Discord, these are all channels I am in, but there's gonna be a plus sign. Let me just get rid of that. There's gonna be a plus sign down here, and it's gonna be add server. And you're gonna wanna hit create server. And I'll just name it, I don't know. Practice server. Change your icon. I'll just do I'll do this. I had this picture of an atom earlier. So apply, practice server, and create. You don't have to name it practice server. You can do anything. That's just a random one of my friends. Okay. So that's how you basically create your own server. But there's gonna be a lot more into it. How much time do I have left? I just want to see. I don't have enough time. If we need more time, I'll make it a second part. So general, but so I'm gonna do this. Member list. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong thing. Sorry. User settings. I'm gonna go into no, that's not what you want to see. What am I doing wrong? Here we go. Sorry about that. I did that wrong. Roles. You're gonna want to go into roles. So new role. Let's just name it yeah, that. You can change the name or color. So right here is what you're gonna need to pay attention to. This is all the abilities someone can have. I'll just make this person. If you go down, you're gonna find a thing called administrator. That's basically the admin. Well, it is the admin for people. And you're gonna want to save your changes. So then sorry about this, but I will see you in the next part. We will finish this soon. Bye-bye.